Welcome to Ibis London Docklands Canary Wharf, where comfort meets convenience in the heart of London's bustling Docklands. Scan the QR code on your screen now to book your stay, or check the description for direct booking links. This modern 3-star hotel offers an unbeatable combination of affordability and quality, making it a smart choice for both business and leisure travelers. With 87 well-appointed rooms, each designed for comfort, you'll find everything you need for a relaxing stay. The hotel underwent a full renovation in 2015, ensuring fresh, contemporary interiors with cozy beds, modern bathrooms, and reliable amenities. One of the standout perks here is the family-friendly policy. Children aged 0 to 11 stay free, making it a budget-savvy option for those traveling with little ones. Check-in starts at 2 p.m., giving you plenty of time to settle in after your journey, while checkout is until noon, so you can enjoy a relaxed morning before heading out. Stay connected with free Wi-Fi throughout the hotel and fuel up for the day with a satisfying breakfast available on-site. The helpful staff are always on hand to ensure your stay runs smoothly, whether you're here for work or exploration. Ready to book? Don't forget to scan the QR code on your screen or check the description for quick access to reservations. Ibis London Docklands Canary Wharf, where great value meets a prime location.